Hi, good morning students. I welcome you in this episode of Legal News Analysis. Today we are going to discuss one of the important bill which was introduced in Lok Sabha on September 19, 2023. The name of this bill is the Constitution 128th Amendment Bill 2023, and this bill is basically related with women's reservation. Okay, so in this episode we will discuss what is the bill, then what are the amendments will be made in the articles, what articles will be inserted in the Constitution of India, and what are the objectives of the bill. Okay, so what is the bill? The bill number is 124 of 2023. According to the preamble of this bill, to amend the Constitution of India, it means if this bill is passed, so it will amend the Constitution of India. What will be the date of enforcement? So according to this bill, on such date as central government may notify in the official gazette. Okay, so this will be date of enforcement. What articles will be amended? Okay, so there will be amendment of only one article, that is article 239A. Under this article, three new sub clause will be inserted in clause 2 of this article. Okay, what clauses will be inserted? So there will be first sub clause, that is BA. According to this sub clause, there will be reservation of seats of women in Delhi Vidhan Sabha. Second subclause is BB. According to this subclause, 1/3 of total seats reserved for scheduled caste will be reserved for scheduled caste women. According to third subclass, that is BC, 1/3 of total seats in Delhi Vidhan Sabha will be reserved for women. Okay. According to section 6 of this bill, this bill will not affect the current composition of Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha of states and Delhi Vidhan Sabha until dissolved. It means if this bill is passed, the Vidhan Sabha, Lok Sabha and the Delhi Vidhan Sabha will not be affected. It means its current composition will not be affected. Okay, unless this is dissolved or there is any kind of re-election. What articles will be inserted? Okay, so there will be insertion of 3 articles after this if this bill is passed. So the first article will be article 330A, second article will be 332A, and third article will be 334A. Okay, so article 330A is basically related with composition of Lok Sabha. Article 332 is basically related with state Vidhan Sabhas, and article 334A is basically related with reservation of seats for women takes effect. Okay, so under article 330A there will be reservation of seats of women in Lok Sabha. 1/3 of total seats reserved for scheduled caste will be reserved for scheduled caste women in Lok Sabha. 1/3 of total seats in Lok Sabha will be reserved for women. According to article 332A, there will be reservation of seats of women in every Vidhan Sabha of states. 1/3 of total seats reserved for scheduled caste will be reserved for scheduled caste women in every Vidhan Sabha of states. 1/3 of total seats in every Vidhan Sabha of states will be reserved for women. Okay. According to article 334A, this act will be implemented after delimitation takes place for this purpose, and it will be operative for 15 years after the commencement of this act. The seats reserved for women will continue till such date as Parliament determine. The rotation of seats reserved for women will be implemented after delimitation takes place. This bill will not affect the current composition of Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha of states and Delhi Vidhan Sabha until resolved. Finally, what are the objectives of the bill? The first objective is the goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047 cannot be achieved without contribution of all sections of society. Second objective is true empowerment of women requires greater participation of women in decision making like legislative workings. Third objective is representation of women in state legislature and in parliament is limited. To achieve the above objectives, 1/3 of total seats in Lok Sabha, State Vidhan Sabha and Delhi Vidhan Sabha will be reserved for women. Thank you so much.